Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you the quickest way to draw 4-point perspective drawing. And you start with a cross and you mark 4 points at the end of this XY axis. And then I go ahead and draw lines around the whole thing to make the structure whole. And then I draw vanishing point lines coming from the top and the ends of this XY axis, as you can see here. And those act as guides. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw my cubes here to emphasize my depth of the vanishing point and the shrink into nature. I think that shrink is the key to creating the illusion of depth in the artist's picture plane. And we do it on all sides now. Basically, you draw cubes conforming to shrinking toward those end vanishing points, those 2 points on the ends here. And then you do the same from the middle to the top. And you can do it shrinking going back into the distance here, as you see. So this kind of creates a nice illusion of depth, and it's kind of a neat little optical illusion to draw and impress your friends with. So there's 4-point perspective, guys. Like and subscribe for more art tips.